Hi, this is a new idea for any card at any number. You start out with a deck of cards. The spectator is, more than welcome to cut the cards a couple of times before you start, and you can also show that every card in the deck is actually different from each other. And so you turn to one spectator and you ask them to just basically point at any card. So let's say the spectator points at this card right here, okay, and without any forces, you can now turn the card around and show, there it is, that's your card right there. So don't forget it, that's the card you've picked, right? So they cut the cards again a couple of times. Okay, it's just so that their card is going to be lost somewhere here in the middle of the deck. Okay, once the spectator has cut enough times that they're satisfied, you stop and you ask another spectator, or even the same spectator, for any number between 1 and 52. So let's say, just for simplicity's sake, the spectator says 15, right? So you start counting from the top. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and this is finally the 15th card right here. Now at this point, you hand this card to the spectator without them turning it over. Now I want to reemphasize a couple of things. If the spectator had said 14, you would have come to this card right here, which is the 9 of hearts. If the spectator had said 16, they would have come to this card right here, which happens to be the 7 of spades, but they didn't. They said the number 15. So for the first time, you ask the spectator to what was actually the card that they had picked, and they will say 2 of spades. So you turn the card over to show that, yep, exactly the card that they picked has arrived at the 50th position that they chose from the top of the deck. Now, you know what? I knew that you were going to say 15. You probably noticed that when you picked the card, I didn't show you the entire face of the card, and it's the reason why my 2 fingers are right now covering the center of the card. Because before we started, I knew that you were going to pick 15, and that's why I wrote the number 15 right here on the middle of your card. And at this point, everybody is welcome to look at the cards, and they can see that every card here is different, and none of the cards have absolutely anything written on their faces. So that is called Yo-Numbuh. That's right. It's a new one. I hope you like it. Thank you.